अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम योर टीचर इदा फातिमा। आज हम पढ़ेंगे जेम पब्लिशर की इंग्लिश नर्सरी।
Today we are learning about letters to word. आज हम letters से words बनाना सीखेंगे. Let's say and learn together. Students, look at this page number 38. Letters to word. Learn it. Say and learn words. A and T aunt. Repeat after me. A and T aunt. B double E bee. Say bee. CAP cap. DOT dot. EGG egg. FAN fan. GUM gum. Repeat with me. GUM gum. HUT hut. ICE ice. JAR jar. KEY key. LEG leg. MAN man. NIB nib. OWL all. PEN pen. UEUEQ. RUN run. SUN sun. TAP tap. URN earn. VAN van. WATCH watch. YAK yaw. And ZIP zip. Dear students, today we learn letters to word.